Disclaimer: before you take any healthy fruits and vegetables, be sure to ask your doctor, do your own research, get your doctor's permission, and then take it. This channel is for providing only information regarding fruits and vegetables. So your doctor knows the best what's your body is and what you need, what you don't, so you get your doctor's permission. And this channel is not responsible for any good thing or bad thing coming out of eating any fruits and vegetables. Hi, this is Mel from Bangle Whisper. I hope all of you are doing awesome. Today we're going to talk about the benefits of cumin seeds. Cumin seeds are very tiny little seeds, and we usually use to cook with it, and sometimes we roast it. Roasted cumin powders is awesome on many things, many cooking items, and then many dishes. And then roasted cumin seed, people drink water and people add them to sour yogurt, so it's really tasty spice. Now we add cumin seed at the beginning of the cooking too, but there's another way to take it, which people take it as cumin water. So cumin seed can be added to any food preparation, or it can be soaked 1 teaspoon in the water overnight, and next day drink the water just like coriander seed water. So with all these spices or fruits or vegetables, all the benefits and beneficial things, be sure to ask your doctor, or if you're allergic to anything. These are the general advice how they are good, and this is just the information, but how you use it is totally up to you. And you must consult your doctor before you use it, must do your own research and then use it. So cumin seed, it's very popular all over the world as spices, and this cumin seed is also called jeera in Hindi, and Bengali it is called jeera. So cumin seeds sort of like a little bit of bitter, but it's really not bitter. So roasted cumin seed has a great flavor and taste. So it's has a lot of medical property. Being with spices, as you know, all the spices have tons of medical properties. Cumin seeds can be used to get rid of several common issues humans have. A lot of health benefits on drinking the cumin water or taking roasted cumin. So cumin water helps to get rid of bloating and acidity. A lot of people have problem digesting their food, and they get bloated, they get acidity. So cumin seed gives relief from indigestion. If a person drinks cumin water daily first thing in the morning, they tend not to get any acidity or bloating. It acts as painkiller, especially for any stomach related problem like abdominal pain or anything. So it's great for that, and it stimulates the secretion of the digestive enzyme, so it's good for digesting food, and it accelerates the process of digesting food. So it helps you fight the issues of undigested food, slow digestion, and it's great for immunity. It's boost our immunity, as you know. It's also full of iron and lots of dietary fiber, and it is essential to drink cumin water to maintain a good gut and have the normal functioning of the stomach. So cumin seeds are really awesome, and it fights against the diseases of the stomach diseases, also fights against any diseases because it reduces your chances of getting diseases, and it improves your immunity towards fighting diseases. and it's great for diabetics as cumin water lowers the blood sugar, so it's good for diabetics. It's good for heart disease and it's good for high blood pressure. You can drink it on an empty stomach to reduce blood sugar level. Cumin seed stimulates the insulin production in the body, and it improves our respiratory system, as cumin water is also good for our respiratory system and protect the respiratory system from getting attacked by outside invaders. And it's also helped to get rid of the accumulated mucus in your chest, so it's really good for that. And if you drink a glass of cumin water daily first thing in the morning, now if you drink it empty stomach, it's going to reduce your blood sugar, but if you drink it first thing in the morning, it's good for your respiratory system. It regulates blood pressure, as I mentioned, and blood sugar. Cumin seed is high in potassium, so it's good for blood sugar, blood pressure. Potassium is the key mineral that the body relies for a lot of functions, especially blood pressure and the heart related thing. It helps to regulate the blood pressure, balancing our the negative effects of the salt. So cumin seed has potassium, it balances the salt between calcium, potassium and magnesium, and boost energy. Cumin seeds are naturally energy boosters, so it is really powerful spice which been taken by the people in India for thousands of years. It helps to keep the body super energetic throughout the day. And if you have sluggish metabolism, sluggish metabolic syndrome, then drinking cumin seed will speed it up, your metabolism. It improves your energy level and feel much better after you start taking cumin water. Cumin water is good for the liver. Cumin seed has long been associated with having liver detoxifying drink, and its ability to promote the digestive enzymes, so it's amazing for that. And cumin water flushes out toxins from the body, so it helps with the production of bile. Bile is necessary to digest fat, so it is extremely beneficial for the liver. And how you make cumin water, you just take half a teaspoon of cumin seed and then soak it in a cup of boiling water at night time, and morning just drink it up. You can add some honey, pure honey if you wish, but usually people take it just like that. And it does wonders for the body. But these are just some natural remedies that people has been doing for years and years, thousands of years. Now, up to you how you use the information. I provided you with the information, but you should ask your doctor's permission before taking it. As I mentioned, it lowers the blood sugar, blood pressure, and fixes the issues with cholesterol. It raises the good one, lowers the bad one. And it's amazing for immune booster and fixing digestive problems, gut problems, and producing digestive enzyme, and producing digestive acid, hydrochloric acid, to digest the food, and producing bile to digest fat. So cumin seed is all around, available everywhere, all the spice store, Indian store, groceries, big packages. So stock up and do your research and then take it. But it doesn't take much, just half a teaspoon, 1 teaspoon. These things are very potent, but do ask your doctor before you do that, because you might have any issues with your health and might be taking any medication that might contradict with it. So thank you